how to find Throttler settings on Bigcommerce easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it. First open your browser, and now once you're here, all you need to do just click settings, and as you see here you will find Bigcommerce settings, and then scroll down until you find miscellaneous, and as you see here you will find your store settings and your email settings. Now just scroll down until you find here we'll find it, and as you see here you can manage it. Now just manage until you want here, and then just click save and it will be saved. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.